I'll tell you, I am very, very, very happy to be with you today. Thank you for being strong. Thank you for being fearless. Thank you for being fearless. Thank you very much. Today, I am very proud to be called Obini. The people of Arua, you have once again showed Ugandans an example. Now, Andrew, I remember that in 2018, I was supposed to die here in Arua. Mike, yes, in 2018 I was supposed to die here in Arua. I came here with my brother Yasin Kauma, my driver then. But I did not go back with Yasin Kauma. Because Yasin Kauma was killed here in Arua. I narrowly missed a bullet. I survived because God had a reason. I survived because God wanted me to come back here today. When we were coming here, we found the road closed. They sent us to another long road. As we touched the main road again, it was closed by police. Then we drove on a muddy road all the way to Mduparaka. From Mduparaka, again the police closed the road. I told them you are joking. I told them today I am not Kyagulanyi. I told them that today I am not Kyagulanyi. Today I am not Muganda. Today I am Obini and I am a Lupa. So I walked and passed the police. And I'm so glad that all of you walked and passed the police. Now I want that to show you that when we decide and when we choose freedom, we can get freedom at any cost. We are not here because they want us to be here. They denied us all the venues in town. Other presidential candidates that pretend to be fighting against Museveni, they allow them to have their rallies in town. Presidential candidates but they stopped us from meeting you in town. They thought you will fear to come to the forest. Say that, Rasta. Yeah, come again. They thought you will fear to come to the forest, so they sent us here, which is far from town. But look how many you are here. Thank you very, very much, brothers and sisters. So today, before I go any further, there's somebody I want to salute. I want to salute the Deputy President, Deputy Sir in charge of Northern Uganda. Our Deputy President in charge of Northern Uganda. Deputy President Yamavu in charge of Northern Uganda. Zedriga Waru. Zedriga. Thank you very much for the work you do. You can enjoy your seat, Mama. Another person that I want to respect in front of this whole crowd is my brother Asega Habib. Irimadri Asega Abib.
Asega Abib.
Asega Abib missing Abib.
Ladies and gentlemen, Asega Abib is the head of mobilization not only in West Nile but the whole of northern Uganda.
Obi Asega Abib Nibani Dileka Amabudia Alu West Nile Aduleri Kutekane Woro northern Uganda Sere.
Asega Abib is one of the top leaders in a national unity platform and he sits on the top decision-making committee, the National Executive Committee.
Asega Abib
And Asega Abib was one of the people that we started with the People Power Movement and the National Unity Platform.
Asega Abib ni amedobani National Unity Platform
But there's something that he did. I saw it in Mbale,
in Mbalia,
I saw it in Kisoro,
in Kisoro,
I saw it in Bunyoro with Comrade Country Rogers.
In Vini Bunyoro, Comrade Country Rogers.
Asega did it here.
Asega Vini Yoda here.
Asega was competing for the ticket of National Unity Platform with our brother Obindu Jackson.
Asega ni anda baka se flag bizuru madria Yedri Obindu Jackson. Now